Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Harris Grand Mariner 230. Let's go check it out. It comes with the Performance Level 3 tune package on it. So as you can see, you have lifting strikes included on the inside of every tune. Makes for a really quality rod. Back here you can see Harris's premium ladder. Really wide stance, makes for really comfortable from getting in and out of the water. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Here at the stern, you have safety rails included on this model. Makes it legal for you to ride back here in the back underway. Really nice stainless steel chains to go across. Really nice bench seat in the back with plenty of storage. Whole fiberglass construction. Makes for a really quality compartment. Won't rot out. All self-bailing. Neat feature about this seating platform here, we have a sun lounger that can be facing forward or aft. We have a JL audio receiver here, so you guys don't have to get up out of your seat to change any stations or any songs. Moving to the quality of the seats, as you can see, all the middle stitching of these seats have cross stitching, makes for a really rich look on the Grand Mariner model. Very quality vinyl leather. This model has the textured vinyl centers. Makes for a really rich, nice feel, ergonomic. Very cool in the sun, so you don't burn yourself on it. All the compartments here on the inside, very spacious, very useful. As you can see, still all fiberglass. These brackets right here are also powder-coated hinges, prevent any kind of corrosion, increase longevity. Moving up to the cabin, we have a really nice captain seat here with flip-down armrests, reclinable, and moves 360. Here on the dash panel, you see we have a G07 Simrad chart plotter. Makes it real easy for you to lay down breadcrumbs and find your way back. On the dash panel here, we have aviation style toggle switches. Really nice, crisp feel, very easy to indicate. Comes with a digital throttle, very seamless shifting. I mean, on this model, you can't even tell that the motor is shifting. Makes for extremely easy docking with a really nice feature that limits how much you can use the throttle for docking. Comes with a premium JL audio head unit, included with Fusion speakers all around. As you can see here inside the cabin, we have two included Fusion speakers. So you have two Fusion speakers rear facing on the stern lounger, two more forward facing on the other side of the lounger. Then you have two more Fusion speakers here on the bow. Very good audio displacement throughout this boat to where your viewing pleasure can be heard from all around. Really nice helm area with an expansive compartment. Makes for storing coolers or any kind of bulky items. This model comes included with a ski locker. Really roomy, with a bilge pump built into the back. Pull out any residual water from your water toys. On the loungers up here, you have a changing room included. Makes for really, really good storage. Really expansive compartment. Moving up to the bow here, you see all your centers, again, are all cross-stitch. Really, really rich feel in this boat. Really nice brackets on all the seats. Has this aluminum bracket here to prevent from flipping forward on you. And as you can see, all the compartments are self-bailing to keep everything nice and dry, with drains included in the back of the compartments in case of any residual water. Plenty of stainless steel cup holders all around this vessel. Accommodates for all passengers, included with USB inputs and phone chargers. Flip down armrests and on the bow area here with stainless steel cup holders. So as you can see, this boat is a very nice party boat. Seat a lot of people. If this is a vessel you'd like to hear more information about, my name is Connor Marr at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching.